In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a testimonial slider in Instapage, Common Ninja. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional slider showcasing real feedback on your landing page without touching complicated code. We'll start in Common Ninja. Head to the Testimonial Slider page and begin building your slider. Choose a template that suits your brand, then customize the text, images, and star ratings for each testimonial. You can adjust layout styles and colors to match your page design and make sure images are cropped consistently for a polished look. As you edit, preview how your slider appears on different screen sizes so it looks great on desktop and mobile. When everything looks right, save your changes. Saving ensures your design is locked in and ready to embed. Next, grab the embed code. In the Common Ninja editor, find the Add to Website button. Click it and copy the embed code provided, typically an HTML or iframe snippet. This code is what connects your Instapage landing page to the slider you just built. Keep the snippet exactly as provided for the smoothest integration. Now open Instapage. Go to your Instapage dashboard and open the landing page where you want the testimonial slider to appear. Enter the layout editor so you can place the element precisely. Inside the editor, find the HTML or custom code widget in the sidebar. Drag it onto your page and position it where you want the testimonials to live, often beneath a social proof headline or near a call to action. Use alignment guides to keep your layout tidy and give the widget enough width so the slider can breathe visually. Click the HTML widget to edit its contents, then paste in the embed code you copied from Common Ninja. Apply or confirm the change. Some editors show a live preview right away. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. It will display correctly once the page is published. Finish by saving and publishing your page. After publishing, visit the live URL to confirm the slider appears exactly where you placed it and that it functions smoothly. Slides should transition cleanly, images should be crisp, and text should be easy to read. If spacing or alignment needs fine-tuning, hop back into the editor, nudge the widget, and republish. That's all it takes. You've successfully added a testimonial slider to Instapage using Common Ninja, giving your landing page powerful social proof with minimal effort. Thanks for watching, and happy building.